I knew you'd find a way. Guess we're home free.
No need for thanks. I'd rather get paid.
Hmm? You're getting paid right now.
Hmm?
Huh?
Oh.
Should be able to relax a little now.
Don't forget about the Turks.
Ah.
Could come at us any time. Keep an eye out.
Somewhere else you'd rather be?
This place takes getting used to.
So, do you think this means another?
The Sector 5 slums are right there.
What are they watching?
Hey!
Hey, that's right. My lights have been on.
I made it first, sure.
Gramps has been feeling a lot better.
What could they
I'm standing inside the gutted shell of Mako Reactor 5.
They're working for Wutai,
As you
isn't it
can see,
obvious?
there's still a lot of smoke rising
using
from the rubble.
spies so they don't have to break
While
the
fallen
ceasefire.
beams and other debris continue to hinder
those
rescue
foreign
efforts,
devils are
the
trying to
fires
start
appear to
another
have been
war.
mostly
So if we
extinguished.
help catch the bombers, we get a reward
over
or
there.
something?
That's the director of Shinra's Advanced Weaponry Division, isn't it?
Enough of that doom and gloom.
Excuse me, ma'am, but
We're
would you
safe
mind
down
answering a
here.
few questions?
They're targeting reactors. There's no
Can you
reason
give us
for them
any
to attack
updates on the
slums.
status of the reactor?
So, when are
What
the
kind of
trains gonna
damage did it
start up
suffer in the
again?
explosion? Are we in any danger?
Mako Reactor 5 has been temporarily shut down, and all fires have been successfully extinguished. The situation is under control, and the people of our fair city need not worry about any additional complications. We're in the process of conducting a full forensic investigation, but we suspect the device used was similar to that employed in the attack on Mako Reactor 1. The perpetrators of that atrocity were filmed making their escape. These agents of the eco-terrorist group Avalanche are currently believed to be in hiding somewhere in Midgar.
And given that this group has now attacked 2 reactors in quick succession, can they really be stopped before they strike again?
What do you think? Have no fear. Shinra will keep Midgar safe.
Okay, time's up!
All right, let's go.
Why the hell would anyone do that? We need to stand up and fight against anyone who tries to destroy our way of life.
Oh, what timing! Mind lending me a hand?
Place is really hopping, huh?
Nice side effect of the train situation. So, what do you say?
I'd love to, but... I help out every now and then. It's fun. Aerith! Well, well. What are you doing all the way up there?
Was trying to get a look at the reactor. Who's this guy?
This is Cloud. He's a mercenary. And currently my bodyguard. That's Oates.
See you.
2 peas in a pod.
Aerith!
So, what are you guys up to?
We all went to see the reactor. Oh, that's right. You're supposed to come by the house.
What for?
I don't know. You're just supposed to.
Well, guess we have a new destination. I should probably explain. The Leaf House is the local orphanage. That's where all these kids live.
Hey, Aerith, where'd you go? The church again? Next time, we should all go together.
Why, hello, Aerith. As popular as ever, I see.
Apparently, but they sure keep me on my toes.
Better than being bedridden. Thanks again for all those herbs.
You've helped a lot of people.
No problem. Anytime.
How'd you manage to find so many anyway?
Oh, I have my ways.
And him?
He's my bodyguard, just until I get home.
And you're sure he's up to it?
Maybe. Since I'm so generous, I gather medicinal herbs for his patients sometimes.
So I can
Here's the leaf house.
I hope you like the vegetables we're growing.
There you are.
We're back, and we brought Aerith with us.
Sorry to make you come out here.
Don't be. It's on my way home.
Well then, I hope you won't mind me asking for some flowers.
No problem. How many?
All you can carry. What with all the doom and gloom we've been hearing on the news recently, I thought some flowers might help cheer everyone up.
I'm sure they will, and I'd love to help.
Let's all wash up before our meal.
Once they're ready to eat, I'll bring some to your place, Aerith. I'm gonna read them all.
So, Cloud, what's your favorite flower?
They're all the same to me.
Huh. You sure you want to say that to a florist?
Better than lying.
Okay. Then what'd you do with the flower I gave you? You give it away?
I did.
Ooh, to who? Tell me.
Don't recall. What?
Thought you didn't like lying. Well, anyway. My house is just up this path. Mom should be home by now, so I'll introduce you. There you go. That's my house.
It's amazing.
Come on. I'm home.
Hey, baby. Been up to no good? Rude came by.
So, this is my mom, Elmira. And this is Cloud, my bodyguard.
Hi.
Take good care of her?
That's my job. Or was my job.
Yep. Thanks. So, Cloud, you gonna head back to Sector 7?
Yeah.
Then I'll show you the way.
Then why'd you have me bring you here? What if the Turks show up again?
It'd suck, but I've dealt with them before. Honestly, I'm much more worried about you. What if you get lost, huh? You'd be too embarrassed to admit it, and so you'd just keep on going.
Quit acting like you know me.
Hey, Mom. I'm gonna go take Cloud over to Sector 7, okay?
Okay. But why not wait until tomorrow? If you head out now, it'll be dark when you get back. Better to rest up here and make the trip first thing in the morning, when you'll have daylight to spare.
That's true. She's got a point, Cloud.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah. I still need to deliver some flowers to the Leaf House. Since we have a little time before dinner, you should come with.
That wasn't the deal.
You mean you want more? Even though you've got a priceless reward coming your way? Do you know what I promised him?
I'll do it.
I'll go grab the baskets. Be right back.
That Aerith, she's a handful, isn't she? It must be tough. No, never mind.
That's weird. Could have sworn I put them here. You take this one. Take it. Right. Off we go. And these right here are my babies. Which ones do you think we should pick?
Any of them.
Oh, don't be like that. I know you have an eye for this kind of thing. That's the one I gave you.
Huh. It is?
Nice try, mister. You can't fool me. I think we still need a few more. Which should we pick next? Good eye. People used to give these to declare their loyalty to one another. Interesting, right? She said, as many as you can carry, so maybe a few more? I think we're good now. What do you say? Shall we go? No need to hurry. We're not under the gun or anything.
I'm not cut out for this crap.
Sure you are. And when you're done, you'll be drowning in job offers. So, how do you think they'll arrange these flowers?
Dunno.
Well, we'll soon find out.
I'll wait out here.
Oh, okay. But I might be a while. Why not check out the town?
Is this?
Oh, here for a check?
Did you know? This place is
I remember you.
Where's Aerith?
The Leaf House.
Want to join the watch?
people walk through here? They're Gil and Jules and magic.
I just love it.
Aerith is such a sweetheart.
Exactly! They're what give the local cuisine the flavor you can't find. Ooh, that's fine.
So pretty.
Cloud, I understand you must be busy, but I hope you haven't forgotten about my research. I've come up with the most fascinating theory. Perhaps you can lend me your assistance in gathering data to test it? Cloud, I have the most amazing news! I believe I might know how to develop summoning materia, something heretofore thought impossible. Scientists say that this materia can only be found in nature, but I may just be able to prove otherwise. And so, Cloud, I turn to you. I would like to test this theory by way of my combat simulator. To wit, I want you to fight and defeat summon data in VR. I sense that you find my phrasing to be somewhat obtuse. Please let me know when you have made your preparations.
Hey, did you see the reactor fire?
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it! I've developed a new materia. Then I invite you to ready your portable battle simulator.
Let's do this. No holding back. Let's do this. All right. No escape. Gotcha. Let's do this. Burn. No holding back. Not looking good. Steady. Calling fire, now. Here we go. Gotta stay. Well, figures it would end like this.
What a shame. It was a close match. However, I did manage to obtain valuable data, analyze and learn from your mistakes, so that you can claim victory next time. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
You won't stop telling us stories about that damn reactor.
I can't wait to give it
I don't do discounts. See ya.
You heard what they said on TV. Man, the hinges on my...
I've had enough.
Mind taking a look? You... Good!
You won't stop
No grown-ups allowed! I can't wait to hear what the president has to say about it all.
You heard what they said on TV. Got nothing but the best here. I knew you had a keen eye.
Man, you won't stop telling us stories about that damn reactor.
Actually,
Nah, can't leave without telling her.
I wish I knew part of the story. Is it time for...
If you don't look out for yourself, no one else will. That's a lesson for life from the ground floor. Take care of my equipment, you hear? Well, hey there. See you soon.
TV's so boring. They cross the line.
Avalanche guys are on.
Is something wrong?
You could say that. Sounds like someone spooked the kids.
Yeah, 2 of them disappeared. They ran away after this creepy guy wearing black clothes showed up.
A Turk?
That's what I thought, but no.
It's this guy who's always stumbling around town in a dirty robe full of holes. They say he's sick or something. Oh, and he had some kind of number tattooed on his arm.
I don't like the sound of this. I'm gonna check it out.
I know someone who fits that description. I'll come with.
Okay.
Come on.
But I want to climb up there. No, it's much too late. I'm scared of the doggy.
That's what's called easy money.
We even got to be on TV.
And to think.
A couple of drinks out would hit the spot. Hey, you mind claiming this puppy? Huh?
Gramps has been feeling a lot better ever since he heard about what happened.
Come on.
I know this place is off limits to grown-ups, but if we want to rescue them, well, we gotta break the rules.
Aerith's come to help.
Yeah, leave it to us. We'll take care of it from here.
But there are monsters out there!
Don't worry. I've brought a super strong friend along with me.
I used to be a soldier. So where's the guy?
I don't know. He disappeared and we can't find him.
Right now, let's worry about the kids.
Come on.
You guys have got to hurry and find our friends, okay?
They ran off this way. Be careful.
Where do you think they went?
Who knows? They're kids. Nothing to do but look all over.
I just hope you find them.
That's that.
Moving on then.
Easy. No holding back.
Stay back! Get him!
Enough.
Go on!
It's over. Let's go.
There they are!
And they're not alone. I've got this.
Don't you mean we've got this?
Enough. That's that. That's that. That it? Get back.
I can fight too, you know. Hey! That's it!
It's over.
Quickly. save them.
All right. Let's do this.
Hold on!
That's that. Too bad. No holding back. All right.
Go on!
You're done. It's over. That's that. I got your number. Won't last long. Come on. Get ready.
Something? Here it comes!
That's that. Anytime now. Going all out. Let's try that again. You're as good as dead.
We'll be right there!
Watch out! The ground's really shaky. It's because of the reactor. You can't trust your feet.
I'll go. Come on.
Whoa! Thank you. That was cool.
Okay, let's head back.